Welcome back, I'm Ron the Cook. So as you saw, I sent Michelle home. It was nothing personal. There was no animosity there. It was simply because of her dish. I'm gonna judge everyone every week by their last dish. That's it. But with her leaving, she deserves a cocktail. And one of her favorite liquors is tequila. Good choice. Now we can go simple and just make a margarita or a paloma or think completely outside the box. So I took some of the pineapple sage I have growing in my yard and I infused it with Lalo tequila. This is 15 grams of fresh pineapple sage and 300 grams of Lalo tequila. Now this has been marinating for a little over 24 hours. So, or should I say infusing? Let's give it a strain. I love they got a little bit of a light green yellowish hue. A lot of the color from the leaves has been completely extracted. Oh, that smells lovely. It has all of that fresh pineapple sage scent to it. Floral, pineapple, green. Look at that color. Nice kind of greenish golden hue. All right, let's give it a taste. Oh my. The Lalo has a very distinct agave smell to it. You get a lot of those beautiful roasted agave notes, but you also get a little bit of that like green freshness, a little bit of vegetalness to it. Oh man, and that pineapple sage really cuts through. You have that greenness coming from the pineapple sage, but also it has this lovely pineapple scent to it. It's amazing. Oh yeah, and for a taste. That tastes like pineapple. A little bit of acidity, but it doesn't overshadow the lovely, soft flavor of the Lalo. This is gonna make a hell of a cocktail. Now for this cocktail, I was really inspired by the Negroni. And I try to think of certain cocktails as if they were a mathematical equation or a scientific formula. The Negroni is 1-1-1. 1 part gin, 1 part Campari, 1 part vermouth. What if we change that around? So we remove the gin, and we have our infused Lalo tequila. Now instead of using the Campari, a liqueur, why not switch out for something a little more citrusy? Italicus, made with bergamot orange. And then our sweet component in there is the sweet vermouth. But it doesn't have to be sweet vermouth. You could use white vermouth, vermouth blanc, or I could use this one I just picked up in Sonoma from Prohibition Spirits. This is their Paradise Liquere. It is 30% alcohol, and this is a butterfly pea and guava liqueur. Now let's make this cocktail. So we're gonna start with our tequila. We're gonna go with 2 ounces or 60 mils. Then for our Italicus, which is already kind of sweet, so we're gonna go with 1 ounce or 30 mils. And then for our Paradise Liquere, 1/2 ounce or 15 mils. Got my big cube here. Use back the spoon, give it a crack. That went everywhere. Always temper your ice when you're gonna break it. And let's give it a stir. Throw on my Hawthorne strainer here. Love that it has a little tiny hint of blue and green in there. I've got 1 small pineapple sage leaf. Let's get it, waking it up. Drop that right on top. And there is my pineapple sage Negroni. Ooh, yeah. Goes perfect in my Nick and Nora glass from Libby. Shout out. But look at that, it's got a little bit of a green hue, a little bit of a blue hue from the butterfly pea and the pineapple sage. It smells so tropical. Cheers, Michelle. Ooh. Oh, that is dangerous to drink. Oh. So smooth, so juicy. and almost fruit forward. Not too citrusy, but just enough. And almost all the alcohol burn is completely taken away in this. But it still drinks exactly like Negroni. Mouthfeel. It's got a little viscosity to it. Just right amount of sweetness. A little bit of bitterness from the bergamot. But the Lalo does not get overshadowed. It's still a very prominent flavor within the overall profile of this cocktail. Just the scent, you get all that pineapple sage, a little bit of that guava. If you want to check out the rest of my Yes Chef recipes, click right there. If you want to check out some other cocktails for Thirsty Thursdays, click up there. Until next time, I'm Ron the Cook.